Today, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Teamviewer in a simple and clear way. First, make sure you have Teamviewer installed on your computer. If not, download it from the official website and install it. Once it's open, you'll see your ID and password on the main screen. These are the details you'll share with the person who wants to see your screen. Now, send your ID and password to the other person. On their side, they will open Teamviewer, enter your ID in the remote control section, and click Connect. After that, they will enter your password, and once it's accepted, your screen will be shared instantly. If you only want to share your screen without giving full control, you can adjust permissions inside Teamviewer settings and disable remote control features. You can also use Teamviewer for presentations by selecting the meeting or presentation mode, depending on your version. And that's it. Now you know how to share your screen on Teamviewer quickly and professionally.